Greetings to everyone. I am Akanksha Singh, pursuing BCom at Christ deemed to be University at Bangalore. I would like to introduce my fellow mate Himanshi Jain D, who is also pursuing BCom from same university. To begin with, I would like to invite Mrs. Pavitra Patil, who is the co-founder of Prions Biotech. Prions Biotech is a company which was started by Dr. Girish and Mrs. Pavitra Patil. Prions Biotech is a global biotechnological company with the moral obligations to contribute to society and community. We welcome you, ma'am.
Hi, Akansha. Hi, Manshi.
Let's have a small talk with Pavitra Patil and know about their journey with Prions Biotech. Ma'am, we would like to hear about how did the idea pop up and what was the source of this idea of starting Prions Biotech?
Hi, Akansha. I would like to tell you, see, because even we are also normal people only, we are not come up with the big industry or something like that. Okay. So we were working as an employee in a different segments and different companies also, where we got the idea when I was good in a marketing and other segments. We thought, and even my partner, you said like Dr. Girish, since he has a degree on a plant pathologist, we thought into a we can go with a biotechnology company since he has a experience also. So we thought like we can start up the manufacturing company, and we started also. We have cleared all the license, and we are doing it right now.
That sounds great. Can you just say us about the mission and vision behind France Biotech?
Yeah, the prions is specially working. Our tagline itself, it is a reconnecting to our nature. Okay, so we are working in a different segments, but the main briefly I couldn't able to tell you, but still I'll tell you. We are wanted to reduce the chemicals in any whatever the industries we working. We are working with the zero chemicals and completely a zero waste. This is our the main goal.
That's amazing, ma'am. Could you please brief us about the product line?
Yeah, we are working in a many segments where we have started with the agriculture, with the organic agriculture. Okay, since our company is a green biotechnology company, we started with that, and we are working in a many segments like wastewater treatment, solid waste, aquaculture, poultry farm, and sugar industry. And these are the segments where we are working out. And in the all the segments, we are not at all using the chemicals. We are doing the bio thing only. We are using the completely biomanufacturers. And our plan into it is actually we would like to go into this human probiotics also. This is the next step. So we'll see if it is well and good. We'll go with that also.
So, how is France Biotech contributing to the society, ma'am?
See, our main thing is the society because in other segments, everyone in other industries and all, everyone will get a subsidy and other parts. Okay, but when it is comes to we being as a biotechnologist company, we started the organic agriculture where the farmers will get a cheaper rate the organic manure into a even foliar application into a drenching applications where they should get a cheaper price and when even they can start the organic thing because since the farmer has the thought that the chemical is cheaper than the organic and the results also faster than the organic to a chemical. So this vision we wanted to change with the people because so we as we know everyone that right now the chemical is spoiling everyone. Okay, everyone get IU, brain tumor and other parts. Okay, this is going to be reduced not immediately, but if we everyone gonna join hands with us, so easily we can come up with the completely organic farming. Okay, this is our main goal, and this is my contribution to give it in a lesser price in organic farming.
The idea and journey was wonderful, ma'am. At this point, where do you see Prions Biotech in future and what are your future goals, ma'am?
See, everyone has the same goal that to be a global entrepreneur. This is my first vision, and this is my the last expectation. Global entrepreneur to be a global entrepreneur.
So, to achieve this, what are your success strategies for France Biotech?
See the commitment, hard work, everyone will tell hard work. No, hard work is also there. The smart work, where it could be established, how would it going to be work? The homework is very much needed for everyone. It may be a small industry to a big industry. The homework, commitment, and delivery to the customer, or maybe any clients, to yourself also, maybe it is in our lifestyle also. When we have a quality, definitely we'll achieve this is my really, I personally feel this.
The journey and the future goals were just wonderful. It was just an amazing listening to you, ma'am. You have set another example for the young minds to think beyond the limit, and you have encouraged them to contribute to the society as well as to the environment. So, to know more about France Biotech, visit www.francebiotech.com. I thank Mrs. Pavitra Patil for spending her quality time with us and helping us to know more about how can we think beyond our limit and contribute to the society. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thanks a lot. Thanks.